Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply any video effects to your text or like any animations as well. So I'm just going to start with I'm just going to change it to okay, I keep on putting the word beautiful but I literally don't know what else to type. Actually, I'm just going to keep it simple for this one. To add in the effect, you can go to, where is it? Effects here, and for instance, you want to add this on it. Maybe like not this one, maybe like this glitch one on it. And you want it to be applied to just the text. You can select both, right click, create compound clip, and it's going to be just added to the text like that. You can also do that for animations. So I basically just selected the video effects here, and the text, right click, create a compound clip. It sometimes works for just like the text, but sometimes your videos I think can be okay. Your videos won't be affected, as you can see, but your text will be affected. So just do that, and then you can now use also like video animations for the text since you've already made it into a compound clip. But that is it. It is super simple to do. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!